Welcome to CSET Biology TCP from the TCP Academy. I am Mr. Wilson, and today we're going to be looking at 10 facts about the new Human and Social Biology exam that we will be sitting in 2022. Of course, it's a CSEC examination. One very important fact is that for the very first time, the Human and Social Biology exam will have a SBA. It means, therefore, that all students sitting the exam for May-June 2022 will have to submit a SBA or the alternative paper. Of course, it is effective for May-June 2022 exams and not January exam for 2022. So please be reminded. The other important fact is that the format of the examination somewhat remain the same for paper 1 and 2. For paper 1, the exam will last 1 hour and 15 minutes. For paper 2, it will be 2 hours. And of course, for the SBA paper, it will go for 2 years. And of course, you'll be supervised during that time. It is called paper 031 or the SBA paper. Now, if you're a private candidate, you are going to be doing the alternative paper more than likely, which is the paper 032. The paper 032 will carry 2 questions, and of course, it will last for 1 hour and 15 minutes. The weighting of each paper. Paper 1 will contribute 30% to the final score. Paper 2, 50%. The SBA will contribute 20% to your final score. And if you're not doing the SBA and instead you're doing the alternative paper, which is paper 032, then it too will contribute 20%, making a total of 100% for the exam. So here we see it's very important to do the SBA or the alternative paper. It's very important that we remember to reach us here at CSET Biology TCP or to be a part of the TCP Academy, which is our paid classes. You need to send us a mail, and our email address is, of course, extremesolutionja@gmail.com. You can follow us on TikTok at CSET Biology TCP, Facebook, Mr. Wilson Live or Ricardo's Wilson. You can follow us on YouTube, of course, at CSET Biology TCP. And of course, you can be a part of our live session at Mr. Wilson Live, and that's on YouTube. There are some products we have on Amazon to include lab books. So to find those books on Amazon, you just type Ricardo's Wilson and you'll find the books that we have there at Amazon. Let's get back to the 10 facts. Now, one might wonder, why do the Human and Social Biology examination? The Human and Social Biology examination prepares students for allied health. And of course, those persons who have interest in physical education, food and nutrition, and of course, social work. Persons who are desirous of taking up careers in this field, of course, could sit the Human and Social Biology examination. But who should do paper 032 or paper 031? Now, the paper 032 is the alternative paper, and only candidates who are private, they are sitting the exam as private, are allowed to do the alternative paper. However, a private candidate can also do paper 031 with the SBA, providing that candidate is, of course, registered to a recognized institution, and of course, the person or the student would have had a tutor to monitor step by step what's happening with the SBA. However, if you're a regular school student, you are only allowed to submit the paper 031, which is the SBA. So regular student, grade 10 and 11, you will be doing the paper 031 with the SBA. It's important to note that no SBA is available for the January exam. So persons who are sitting the exam in January, they will definitely have to do the paper 032. The paper 032 is the alternative to the SBA. And of course, it lasts, like we said earlier, 1 hour and 15 minutes. And it's, of course, an examination and not so much a project base as it were with the SBA. The submission must be done before April 30th for that exam year. So if you're doing the exam, of course, May, June 2022, then your SBA must be submitted by April 30th unless otherwise stated by CXC. Failure to submit the SBA, or if you are allowed to do the alternative to SBA, will result in total failure of that examination. Even if you sat the exam and got full marks for paper 1 and paper 2, you would still fail the exam. So it's very, very important, or should I say it's compulsory, that you complete the SBA, or if it is something that you're allowed to do, the alternative to SBA. Be reminded to reach out to us for live classes, paid classes at extremesolution@gmail.com, or follow us on TikTok at CSEC Biology TCP, Facebook Mr. Wilson Live, YouTube CSEC Biology TCP, and of course you can reach our live classes at Mr. Wilson Live on YouTube. There are products on Amazon to include lab books that you can find on Amazon by typing in Ricardo's Wilson. Please be reminded to like, share, and subscribe. And when you subscribe, remember to hit that notification bell so you'll be informed as soon as there is a new publication. Leave us a comment. Tell us, what do you want to see for season 2? We want you to also share this video with members of your class and persons who have interest in biology and HSB. Until next time, take good care of yourself